This sand dollar is the 31st illustration within artist Penny FireHorse's Neon Sea Creatures series. Immerse yourself in the vibrant realm of neon sea creatures, where artistry meets the mesmerizing allure of the ocean. This collection draws inspiration from the captivating beauty of marine life, capturing its dynamic energy and vivid hues. Each artwork exemplifies Penny's distinct style, seamlessly merging realism with a neon-infused palette, resulting in visually striking and captivating creations. Sand dollars, also known as sea cookies or snapper biscuits in New Zealand and Brazil, or pansy shells in South Africa, are species of flat, burrowing sea urchins belonging to the order Clypeasteroida. Sand dollars can also be called sand cakes or cake urchins. Sand dollars' star-stamped skeletons are widely sought after beach finds, but not many know what the bottom-dwelling creatures are like when they're alive. Truth is, these animals look almost nothing like what you find in the sand after high tide. The sand dollar is purple and hairy in its prime. It resides in tropical and temperate waters throughout the Northern Hemisphere.